Has Alia Bhatt left her house to live with Ranbir? One of the most top and adorable couple of B-Town currently is Ranbir and Alia Bhatt. This adorable couple is ready to tie the knots in this year during December. Their marriage is one of the most anticipated ones. But recently a shocking news has come forward which has revealed a lot about the current situation of Ranbir and Alia's relationship. There were rumors doing rounds about Alia and Ranbir's sudden breakup, but the shocking news has put every rumor aside. Recently, Alia's mother has made a statement that has shocked everyone, and it has also created buzz in the Tinseltown. Let us find out in the video what shocking revelation is made by Alia's mother, Soni Razdan. Soni Razdan's old TV show is getting aired again. During this lockdown period at TV, the veteran actress was asked that if she has asked her daughters, Alia and Shaheen Bhatt, to watch the series. The actress replied that both of her daughters, Alia and Shaheen, are not staying together at this time of lockdown. She has also told in the interview that Shaheen is staying at her usual place where Shaheen and Alia lives together. Soni Razdan has also added that Shaheen is staying there alone during this time of lockdown. When Soni Razdan was asked about Alia's whereabouts during this lockdown, she first tried to skip the question. But later she chose to answer it, and her answer has shocked the Tinseltown and created a lot of buzz. She has said that Alia is currently living with her boyfriend Ranbir Kapoor at his residence. Yes, it is right that this adorable couple is living together and is spending quality time with each other during this nationwide lockdown. As Alia's mother herself has said this, their fans are really relieved now, as there were breakup rumors doing rounds. A video has also gone viral where these two stars can be seen walking with one of Ranbir's pet dog. The stars were in casual clothing and they are in a live-in relationship now. This is quite surprising that Neetu Kapoor is okay with Ranbir and Alia staying together, because she is quite old school about these matter. When Katrina started living with Ranbir at his residence, Neetu Kapoor was not okay with that at all. She had a major fight with Ranbir on that matter, but Ranbir was adamant to have a live-in relationship with Katrina. Looks like Neetu Kapoor really likes Alia too much, and only that is why she has allowed her son to stay with Alia Bhatt during this time. Neetu Kapoor is often spotted with Alia and they share a great bond. Neetu often comments on her pictures as well. Alia has recently shared a picture of her at balcony during sunset, and her caption revealed it that the picture was taken by Ranbir. Alia recently also posted another picture which was of Ranbir's pet dogs. This image also confirmed that they are staying together. The couple is all set to get married soon this year after the release of their first movie, Brahmastra. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.